Hello guys, welcome to Himmel56, and today I'll show you that how easily we can render or export a single frame in After Effects. So as you can see that I made a simple video for my client. Suppose I want to export this frame. So for that, go to the frame you want to export, then go to composition, then save frame as, then file. Now at the bottom on the Photoshop, single left click, then this drop down, select PNG Sequence, then press on OK, then click on the second text, output to. Now where you want to save it? Suppose I want to save it inside H drive, so select the H drive. There is no picture for now. Let's give it a name like Lil Girl, then click on save. After that, click on render. Let's check the file, H drive. So here we have our file. Seems like everything is okay. So guys, that's how easily we can render or export a single frame in After Effects. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.